Hello dear students, today we are going to do analytical paragraph writing. This is called analytical paragraph. See, analytical paragraph has been introduced by CBSE for the first time for the student who are appearing this year for board examination, CBSE board 10th board examination. It is a new endeavor taken by CBSE, and see, many students find somewhat or sometimes difficult. They say that yes, it is quite new, therefore they might be facing difficulty. See, analytical paragraph writing is quite simple. It is quite easy, and you know, the things that are new, it does not at all mean that they will be new, will always be difficult. The new one may be very simple, may be very easy. Same is the case with analytical paragraph writing. Here you have to see, you have to carefully compare, analysis means comparison. You have to make a comparison, which year there is rise and where is the downfall, where is the sharp decline and upward and downward. This by closely observing the data, you have to prepare a paragraph. It is quite simple. It's not at all difficult. See, this very paragraph shows the purchase of smartphones and computer. This very graph shows the purchase of smartphone and computers. See, the darker graph shows smartphones, and while the blank one shows computer. And these numbers are in thousands: 20,000, 40,000, 60,000, 80,000, 100,000 and 120,000. And in the year 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19. We will closely observe all these things. Here in the year 2015, find that, you know, with the advancement of science and technology, students and people are becoming very much dependent on smartphone and computer. They are becoming technologically dependent. More and more users they are becoming, you know, techno friendly they are becoming. So by observing this very data very carefully, we will prepare a paragraph. See, this is the question. The chart displays data about the number of digital devices purchased in Rishunagar. Digital devices purchased in Rishunagar. Write a paragraph. Write an analytical paragraph. Now this is the question, and this very question is sample paper issued by CBSE for 10th student who are going to appear in the board examination. With the help of this very chart, this is the question. With the help of this very chart, we will closely observe the chart and we will prepare the answer. Very easy and very simple. According to the sample paper, it is of 5 marks. It is this analytical paragraph writing will be of 5 marks. Now let us read the answer. You have to write this very analytical paragraph in 100 to 120 words. How many words? 100 to 120 words. This is the word limit. 100 to 100 to 120 word limit. See, when we start writing this very analytical paragraph, three things are very important. Three things. First, we have to give the introduction. First one, the intro. The first one is the intro, introduction. Introduction of this chart. The first introduction. The second one will be the content, and third one conclusion. See, if you are careful about these three topics, these three factors, introduction, content and conclusion, in the introduction you will find the answer in the question itself. The question is digital devices purchased across the year in Rishunagar. You know, this is the question. People have been purchasing digital smartphone and computers from 2015 to 2019. This is the this is about a purchase of a smartphone and computers in a particular colony that is called Rishunagar. So we have to be very much careful. Now let us read the answer. The above chart displays the data about the number of digital devices purchased in Rishunagar. This was already in the question itself, and this is the introduction of the analytical paragraph. This is the first sentence will be the introduction, and the second one will be the content, and the last one will be the conclusion. Now let us read the content. People are becoming more and more techno-friendly in Rishunagar across the year 2015 and 19. We see in this very chart that yes, people are becoming more and more dependent on, more and more they are purchasing. Their number, the number of purchase is increasing in the area Rishunagar. By the close observation of the chart, we see that there is a gradual rise in purchase of smartphones and computers. In the year 2015, see, in the year 2015, we find that 38,000. See, I have already told you that this one is in thousands, 20,000, 30, 40,000 and 60. So we find that 38,000 people bought computers. 38,000 people bought computers and 48,000 people bought smartphones. This is these are the indicators. Smartphone, the colored one, the dark one, and computers, the blank one. 42,000 people bought smartphones in Rishunagar. Now we will be dealing the conclusion. I have already the last paragraph will be the conclusion, and while writing conclusion you can be very much brief and you should be very much accurate to the point, because it is a analytical paragraph writing. In nutshell means in summary, in short, in nutshell we can say that the number of purchase of digital devices kept on increasing. See, from 2015 to 2019, if we see it, if we watch it, we see that yes, people, the purchase of smartphones and digital and computers are increasing in number. That is why, observing this very paragraph very carefully, we have to prepare the paragraph. So kept on increasing in the year 2019. 102,000 people purchased a smartphone. On the other hand, 84,000 people bought computers in the Risu Nagar colony. So this is all about paragraph writing, analytical paragraph writing. And we have to, while writing the paragraph, we have to very much carefully observe, watch everything very closely, the data, and with the help of data we have to prepare the answers. Another important thing, that introductory part you will find a lot of help in the question itself. For writing introduction of this analytical paragraph, you will find the help in question itself. I hope that it will be very much clear. Thank you.